Do you poop? Good. So does the last guy who was camping here, but he didn't know how to dispose of it properly. Do you have one of these? If not, you're gonna need one of these. That's right. If you don't have a way to bag up your poop and take it with you to dispose of, you're gonna have to dig a 6-inch hole, which isn't that deep. Shouldn't be that tough. Then when you're done doing your number 2, you want to bury it, stomp on it, and be done with it. Don't be this guy.
Ew!
And ladies can also plan ahead and bring a bag with them to dispose of their wipes. We can all chip in, guys. Let's do it.
Yay!
A lot of camping areas do not have a restroom, so definitely plan ahead and don't leave it for the next camper. The more you know. Well, I got my pooping system at Walmart, but you could shop online or visit your local camping supply store. They even make foldable stools that you can use if you don't want to lug a bucket around, which does take up a lot of room. In my system, I use a 5-gallon bucket, this double-lined bag, and it also zippers shut. And then when you're done, you take this with you and dispose of it properly. And then I also use cat litter mixed with these in-wash scent boosters, and that helps keep the smell down.